It's time for a little badass reality check. So here's the truth. If you've been struggling with your business, if you've been struggling to take it further, you've gotten some success and you're wanting to scale it, monetize it, ramp it up. The thing is that there's a level of commitment that needs to come in at this new level. So you've been able to achieve a certain level of success for where you are, and now it requires you to dig in again, ramp it up, show up bigger, bolder, face all of those objections that you have that are going to come up around showing up bigger and bolder, having more of a stand, maybe be polarizing. All of those things are going to be required in order for you to take that next level up. And that's where the badass mindset comes in, is being able to get into the space of doing it because you have that commitment, you have that passion and that desire, and you know that you're going to do it, even if you get flack, even if people think that you are crazy, and even if it means risking everything. That's what it's going to take to get you ramped up in your business. But it doesn't have to be hard. So if you're ready to ramp up your business with ease and commitment, head over to bookdana.in. I'm Dana Ferrant, and this is your Badass Business Mindset.